Hey girls, so I'm doing my review on my new Ultimate Closet. Yay! Hey, so this is the launch. So it's gonna be this. It said Barbie. So some designs. Cool designs. So launch this. So there's some hang on the walls. And here. And this. Could unlatch. So here another one. And some drawers to put your shoes. And a cabinet for the white things. I
Pero yung toys dati yung may load. Kung baka kulang yung load.
So I do this with a cardboard and all things. So you store or whatever you want. So let's get ready to talk.